Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coders Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is running Python program using Notepad. This is 8th topic in getting started with Python. Let's begin. You can also simply write a program in Notepad and execute it. Let's see how to do it. Open a folder where you want to write a program. I'm selecting F drive. So I want to save my program in this location. Right click and create a text document. Open it. You can save this as Python program. Save as. Type the file name here with .py extension. Let's say hello.py. Now you can see that it created a Python file. You will be able to differentiate the text file and Python program file by their icons. Now let's open this program file. Let me write some program here. Let's save the program and close it. To run the program, you can open Windows command prompt. You can click on this icon here in the start menu, or from the start menu, from Windows system, you can select the command prompt. Now let's navigate to this folder location. Now to run the program, we need to type Python, a space and the file name. Enter. Now you can see that it is showing the output. Thanks for watching. I hope that you like this video. For more details, view the description below. See you in next video.